Elderly man accused of chopping his 69-year-old cousin to death. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the Clarkstown Police Station have charged a 60-year-old man with murder following the chopping death of his cousin, 59-year-old William Jenkins, at his Trelawney home on Sunday. Charged is 6-year-old Roy Rose, otherwise called Mafia, a farmer of Sherwood District, Clarkstown in the parish. Reports are that around 2 a.m., Rose went to Jenkins' Sherwood District home and entered the room where he allegedly used a machete to inflict wounds to the farmer's head. The police were alerted, and upon their arrival, Jenkins was found on a bed in a pool of blood. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Rose later turned himself in to the police. He was subsequently charged with murder. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.